Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesday. My name is Bonnie Mauldin, founder and CEO of the Mauldin Group. We're your number one spot when you want to go from the bottom to the top. I want to share with you today 5 ways to make your website more dynamic. When a visitor lands on your website, you have only 11 seconds to capture that person's attention. So I want to share with you 5 tips on ways to make your website more dynamic, more engaging, so you can turn that lead into a customer or that visitor into a lead. You ready? All right, let's get started. Number 1 is adding a chat box to your website. This heightens the engagement level to level 10. Out of 1 to 10, this brings it to level 10 because that chat box is going to pop up for your visitor and say, how can I help you? And if that person has a question, they'll type it right in, and which allows you to give them a response. So number 1, chat box, great way to add more engagement to your website. Number 2 is text messaging. Everyone is using their cell phone now. 90% of users prefer engagement through text messaging. So I'm going to encourage you to add a text feature to your website so people can just go right there on their phone and get an answer from you directly there. Number 3, we have online appointment setting. Some people are ready to book that appointment with you right away. They're ready to get started, but they may not want to call you to book the appointment. So you make it that much easier by putting the calendar and the dates and times available right there on the website so they can book themselves. Voila, the appointment appears. All right, the next thing you can do is add a special offer to the website. You want a special offer on your website with an expiration date. So if you put a counter on the website to show this special offer expires on this date at this time, you better get it soon or you're going to miss out. There's something called FOMO, fear of missing out. If you make a person feel like they have to act now, create that sense of urgency, then they will engage you, enter their name, email address, and phone number for them to get the special offer. And then number 5 is, last but not least, video. You want to add video to your website. People love to engage with video. Conversion rates go up by 86% when you add video to your website. So video is going to help explain who, what, when, where, and why. And also audio. If you have podcasts or if you have video or audio testimonials with a picture or a logo next to it, that really adds a sense of engagement that will allow a person to hear someone else's voice and just feel what they feel by listening to the sounds come through the website. It's just so much easier than reading. So there you have it, 5 ways to add more engagement and make your website more dynamic. So if you need some help with any of this, I'm here for you. My name is Bonnie Mauldin with the Mauldin Group. We're a professional web design and internet marketing agency, top-rated SEO firm, top-rated PPC firm, top-rated award-winning digital agency right here in Roswell, Georgia, here to serve small businesses with advertising and marketing solutions. So give us a call if we can answer any questions for you or be a resource. We're the number 1 spot when you want to go from the bottom to the top. Have a great day. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.